Hello class, continuation to part 2. When you want to simplify this expression, what we have to do is we just have to go for number by number, which is looking 6. When you subtract 5 and 2 becomes 3, and when there's nothing, 1 is hidden, becomes 7. So 6 x to the third and y to the 7th power. That's what we're looking at. So we have choice 1 right here. Alright, now how about this one? Similar as before, 5 times 3 becomes 15. A squared and a to the 4th total a to the 6th power, b cubed, b becomes b to the 4th power. So we end up getting choice 2 as our answer. Alright, here, similarly to before, we can make a 3 fractions. That's one way. And right after that, we're going to try to do this one in another way. And then we'll see what happens. Here we have 12 x to the 4th over 6x minus 18x to the 3rd over 6x and plus 6x squared over 6x. Now then here becomes 2, x becomes x cubed. Here becomes 3 x squared and becomes x left. So then we are looking at this as our answer. Alright. Number 22. It says all members must be at least 18 years old. At least, that means it has to be greater than 18 or equal to. So we are looking at choice number 4. Alright, what is the perimeter of the regular octagon? Octagon means 8 sides. So what we have to do is we have to multiply 8 times 3x minus 7y. What is that equal to? We have 24x minus 56y. And we end up getting choice 4 as our answer. Alright, here we are solving for y. Same as before, subtracting 2x, then we get 3y equals negative 2x plus 5. Now we gotta divide by 3. We end up having y equals negative 2/3 x plus 5 over 3. Choice 1 as our answer. Now, parallel to the y-axis. Then, if I had to sketch it, it would have been something like this. The fact that it's parallel to the y-axis, that means x value is always equal. So we're looking for x value is always equal. That would be our answer. Alright, number 26. The slope. Now, in this case, I'm going to try to get one thing here. We have 1 comma negative 4. It would have been right over there. And negative 5 comma 7. 4, 6. In fact, you will realize that it's negative because it's going down, but how much is it going down? It is going down a lot. In fact, you can figure that out by 7 and negative 4, but this will be 11 difference. How about horizontal? It will be in fact 6. So therefore our slope will be negative 11 over 6. Now if you want to use formula, it would have been y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which will still get you negative 11 over 6 as our answer, which is choice 3. Now, parallel to x-axis, And in order for something to be parallel to the x-axis, the y value always has to be the same. So in fact, it would be choice number 1. Now, here, shortest student was 155 sandwiches, and then tallest student was 190. So we are looking at 155 to 190, but including those values. So between this one and this one, we are looking at number 2, because we did have a student with 155 and also 190. Now, which one of these is not a function? Then what we talked about before here was that one value of x can only have one value of y. When you look into this one here, oh, there's one value of y, but also another value. So one value of x has two values of y. That wouldn't count, so this becomes a not a function. Now, here we just have to solve every step by step. When 3 is distributed to both of them, we get 6m minus 3. This will be less than or equal to 4m plus 7. So why don't we add 3 and subtract 4m at the same time? Then we would have gotten 2m on one side, which is less than or equal to 10. Then by dividing it by 2, we would have gotten m as less than or equal to 5, which means choice 1 seems to be the answer. Alright, that's it, I guess. So we'll continue with part 2 later. Our second review sheet.